Hey everybody, how y'all doing? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. It's been a while, y'all. I know, yes, I know. But you know what happened? It is the best of your girl over the past week. Yeah, man. You don't know Jamaica to the flu lick down your girl. Yes, I've had this. I'm not sure if it's the flu or what it is. Maybe my sinuses, to be honest. I have draining sinuses and it had been draining, so it just took a toll. But can I tell you, I'm grateful, I'm giving thanks, and I missed you all so much. And I thought that I owe it all to you to come and to say something. Couldn't have done it any earlier. No voice was there, no strength was there, but it's the best of me, and I'll be back. I promise you, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm just doing this little video to let you know why I've been missing in action, and to let you know that I'm coming on. I posted today on Instagram for such a long time. Maybe some people saw it that I wasn't doing too well and all of that. You know what I'm saying? Your girl is still here, not at the maximum strength, but I'm holding up, giving thanks and all of that. And when I return, I'll make up to you in every single way. You keep your notifications on. Stay tuned to the Jamaican cooking journey. And even though I haven't got any recently uploaded videos, I have probably a little near to 500 videos, or a little over, somewhere thereabout. So please go to the channel and just click. I know some of you haven't watched all of them, a lot of you, so just go click, keep the channel ticking over, make Debbie Deb's thing keep rolling over. Thank you so much for the love. I know you will do that and all of that. It won't be long. I am coming out of the woods right now, but I don't want to holler too much until I'm fully out. Okay, so we are also working behind the scenes on some videos, and as I said before, I am coming back bigger and better. Gonna make it up to you. Don't want to put too much pressure upon the chest and all of that. Those of you who have my WhatsApp and my Instagram, if you want to reach out to me, you know where to find me. So I am just letting you know that. And also the comment section is really stagnant. I haven't visited it I've been trying yesterday, but I just probably just left it there, but I'm going back to it. So I just want to let you know, thanks for my new subscribers, those that have subscribed over the past days that I've been out. It's almost like a week now. It was from last Thursday, to be honest. So if you have posted a comment and you haven't seen me reply, it's not that I'm rude or I have ignored it. It's just that I am a little bit under the weather and I haven't reached to it, because you all know, the majority of you know, I respond to my comments once they are in good order. So I just want to say thank you so much for the love, thank you so much for the support, and thank you. Keep your notifications on. I say to you all, be blessed, big up on yourself, manners and respect. And you know what happened? And they be from down a yard, bless, no stress.